Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm Zoe. I'm back with another uh, example of quadratic function in form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Today we are going to graph a function like f of x. Quadratic equation, very simple. You know that we can find the roots of this one with help of quadratic formula. Very easy. B negative b minus plus minus radical over 2a. But this time, I think the easiest way is to factoring out this, because the leading coefficient is 1, and this can be product of two numbers, this can be sum of two numbers. This is much easier. Okay, f of x is this one equals to 0. To get the in order to get the roots, we need to be equal to 0. F of x can be factoring in two parentheses. This is positive, so the addition is negative, so both must be negative. Multiplication of these two numbers gets 8, and addition gets negative 6. It can be x minus 2, and the other one x minus 4 gets 0. And we know by zero rule, we know that if this two factor gets 0, the first one is 0 or the second one or both. Okay, we can equal both with 0. If x minus 2 gets 0, x is 2, one of the roots. If x minus 4 gets 0, x sub 2 gets 4. You see that both of them are real roots. Okay, if we have real roots on a coordinate system, we can have 2 points on x-axis, because the real roots shown on this one. Okay, x-axis, and we say x values for this one. Okay, now before go and do this one, we know that the parent function of x squared is the simplest form of quadratic function. When f of x is x squared, when the coefficient is positive, we have this is parabola upward. Okay, if the coefficient is negative, like this one, negative x squared is downward. Okay, this one is negative x squared, here is x squared. This is just a parent function. This is simplest form. So we are expecting to have something like this one, because this is positive, the coefficient of x squared is positive, this is a parabola upward. But we don't know what is the vertex here on this one or under. As we know, we have two roots, two real roots. We should have these two roots. The roots, the first one is 2, okay? The second one is 4. It means we have a parabola like this one. But where is the vertex point? We know that between this one, between 2 and 4 gets 3. And we have a axis. This is by graphing. Algebraic is like this. Vertex is, the x of vertex is negative b over 2a. Negative b gets 6 over 2a gets 2, gets 3. At this point, point 3, we have an axis of vertex, axis of symmetry, yes? But what is the top of this one? Okay, vertex x is this one, but if we have 3 on x3, f of 3 gets 3 squared is 9 minus 6 times 3 gets negative 18 plus 8 gets negative 1. Okay, we have vertex on this one. This is the axis and negative 1. If this is negative 1 here. At 3, negative 1, we have vertex here. We know that the upward, we have an upward parabola. But where is the intersection with y? X-intercept is here, two real roots. What is y? We can say when x gets 0, because here gets x is 0. So when x is 0, f of 0 gets 0 minus 0 plus 8. 8. At this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. At this point, the parabola must something. Roughly this means here that this is f of x or y. Okay? Good. So this is parent function. It helps you to just have a suggestion. What is this? This is upward, downward. But you need to have the vertex with negative b over 2a, or graphically when you get two real roots appears here and appears here. Okay, you can say what is the between? Between we have an axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry at this point. We found what is the f of 3. F of 3 is negative 1. Okay, at this point we have the vertex. Okay, what is the y-intercept? This is x-intercept. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept is 0, 8. What is x is 0? What is f of 0? Gets 8. Okay, this is something be expected to have to this one. Okay, hope you like this. I come back with another example of graphing quadratic function with maybe just shifting to right, left, up, and down. There is a formula for this one. Hope you like it and see you later. Bye.